In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get previous content in Genspark AI Mobile. If you've created something in the Genspark app before and want to find it again, the process is very quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access your earlier content right from the mobile app. Start by opening the Genspark app on your phone. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main screen. If your internet connection is a little slow, give it a moment before moving on, since menus can sometimes take an extra second to appear. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top left corner and look for the icon with two lines. This is the menu button. Tap on that icon to open the side menu. If you don't notice it right away, just take a second to scan the upper left area of the screen because that's where it's typically located. After you tap it, the history sidebar will open. This is where Genspark keeps your previous content, making it easy to go back and review things you've already created. In the history section, you can browse through your earlier items and select the one you want to open. This is especially useful if you want to continue working on something, copy information from a past result, or simply revisit an older conversation or generated piece of content without starting over from scratch. And that's all there is to it. Open the Genspark app, tap the two-line menu icon in the top left corner, and use the history sidebar to access your previous content. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to find something you made earlier.